Standard communication tools may suffice for simple conversations, but maximizing productivity requires more. Alleo is the solution. Our customizable virtual meeting experience is secure and trusted by global organizations that want to see everything, engage everyone, and stay up to date in real time. Alleo is flexible enough for just about any type of content, any level of complexity, including streaming multiple live video feeds, screen shares, and embedded content. The experience takes the best of today's virtual whiteboards, combines communication tools, and allows users to easily create rich, interactive experiences without writing any code. Access Alleo from any device with just one click. No software to install, nothing to download, and no special hardware to purchase. Control who you want in the conversation and when. Invite guests to view and access specific content and interact at the permission level appropriate for each meeting. Turn presentations into an experience where everyone is engaged. Feedback is real time, and ideas are advanced at the speed of your thoughts. Today's leaders are choosing Alleo to tackle hybrid meetings and presentation challenges. Visit our website to schedule a meeting to learn more about how Alleo can help maximize your human capital.